Come today in front of me, Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and scroll to the additional settings. Now just scroll a little bit down and you'll see here the developer options section. And now just tap here, and to hide the developer options you should click here once on the switcher near the developer options, and one will go back here to the settings menu and we'll go again to the additional settings. You can see here that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. That's how to log out, how to hide developer options on our Poco M4 Pro. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.